Today we are going to learn how to define the transition from fine to coarse elements. First of all, we switch to the simulation FE and simulation option. Click on it. We notice here there is in bodies all visible and solver NX Nastran and analysis type is structural should be there. Then click OK. We move to the solution type. Here analysis type is structural we selected earlier and 2D solid options में none is here. Solution type में Solver 101 linear static. Click OK. We are not going to run it for the simulation, just we create the meshes here. Okay. So first of all we divide the faces by using split face command. It is you will get in topology option. We select the mid point of the lateral edge. Yeah, in same way in this step we repeated 3 more times. Now new midpoint is generated, the midpoint selected, so that surface divide equally. Then OK. Now what we can do is here, first of all let move it in projected orthogonal projected and merge these faces which extra generated. We only require 3 sections, so merge this face and this face. Okay, this command is also available polygon geometry, and from here what we can do, generate the 2D mesh. This one is the C quartz 4 element. Okay, the size we defined here, let's take 0.75 for the right hand side section. These are the some options to generate triangular element kind of elements also, but time being we switched off. And the selected surface apply on it, the C quartz 4 elements mesh generate here. See, now we will select same mesh element for the left one and the size is 1.5. Okay, now how the mesh from 0.75 mm to 1.5 mm size, how this should be defined, so our transition should say smooth. It is usually required when the area which is not much important from stress concentration point of view, so it reduces our analyzing timing. So let's here same element we select C quartz, but we can do here this one face and we increase the size. Let's suppose take 1.5. okay, this one is a example. You can define as per your requirement. See how that all of the node are connected, right side nodes connected to the generated nodes, and all nodes are connected to each other properly. If you want to adjust it, go to the 2D collector. Thin cell 3 is the this one, and we can change the uh, sizes here. When we turn off allow triangular, so all the elements generated in this region uh, should see quartz 4 element. Okay, we can change the size from and see the how it how the changes reflect. This maximum element size should be more there. This one is the perfect way to uh, make the element transition smooth. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next session. Thank you. Okay.